Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're opening up the Hot Wheels 2020 H case. Now in the H case, the super treasure hunt is the 84 Audi Sports Quattro in the Factory Fresh series, car 10 of 10. A very, very nice color on this one. Not too sure about those white wheels. Let me know what you think in the comments below of this 84 Audi Sports Quattro super treasure hunt. So let's get straight into the case and see what we've got. So I get all my cases from Grana Toys. I'll put a link in the description below to their website so you can go and check them out and pick up your own case or something else that they have online, but they're always really good and get my cases very on time. Does that even make sense? Very on time? Okay, let's check this out. Oh, I can already see the main line for that Audi in there. Nice to get a super. Don't forget, smash that big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now, the first cars out is that 2017 Nissan GT-R R35, the anniversary edition there. We've already seen that one. We've got two Jet Z, and we've got that 76 Greenwood Corvette. Three nice cars to start off the case. Oh, they're falling out. They all want to come out. We've got the McLaren P1 in the Hot Wheels Exotics. It's actually a nice color on this one. Not too bad. I like the detail we've got there. Oh, we've got some nice detail at the rear as well. That's pretty cool. We've got the Linster prototype. Recently opened this car. It's a new casting for 2020. Check that video out. As well as the Heavy Hitcher. Now, what fell out of the case here? Oh, we've got the recolored Custom 71 El Camino. Very nice. The recolored RV there yet. I'm sort of losing interest in that casting, to be honest. And we've got the Robocar. Bit of a mouthful, sorry. Tongue twister. I like the color on this one. I haven't actually tried this guy on the track, and I'm thinking he's probably going to go pretty well. I should get it on the track ASAP. Oh, this is a nice one. I've been waiting for this one. The 91 GMC Cyclone in the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Very nice. Brand new for 2020. Would be nice if the GMC symbol on the front was red like the card. I mean, you can see GMC, but yeah, a little bit disappointing. But overall, I think this casting is pretty cool. Honda S2000, very nice in yellow. And we've got that 68 Chevy Nova recolor there in the Rod Squad. This red is pretty nice looking. Pretty cool. Got the yes, we've got the 42 Willys MB Jeep. Now this is what, hang on a sec. We've got another Heavy Hitcher, but we'll just put that one aside because we all came to see this, the 2013 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition in the Hot Wheels Dream Garage, car 10 of 10, and it's the treasure hunt for the H case. Very, very happy to have this car. Look at those green chrome wheels, very nice. This car is really cool, and I'm probably not going to get another one because it will be so, like, if it's on the pegs, it's going to be taken as soon as anyone sees it. Very, very nice. Very happy with this car. Oh, I love Camaros. So good that we've got a treasure hunt that is not a fantasy car. So that is very, very good. Makes the case worthwhile. Got that 76 Greenwood Corvette. Got the Hyper Rocker, and we've got the Power Rocket. Oh, another Power Rocket. That 52 Hudson Hornet, we've already opened this car up and it is a beautiful casting. And the recolor of the 8 Crate. I think with the white wall tires here, I like this car. Very nice in white. Maybe even better than the silver. Let me know what you think in the comments below. We've got a blue Pixel Shaker. Got that 68 Chevy Nova wagon from the Hot Wheels Flame series. And we have a second 2017 Nissan GT-R R35. We've got Duck and Roll. I keep thinking of another word when I say duck. But anyway, Duck and Roll. Sky Dome. This is actually pretty cool. I've never had one on the track before because I've never picked it up. But now that I'm getting the full cases, I'm going to be getting every single car. So this is awesome to be able to have this and test it out. And it's with the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Geez, I wonder if this will be collectible since Tokyo 2020 is Now Tokyo 21. Now, the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. We've already opened this guy and it is a very nice car. Want some recolors on that one. I'm looking forward to recolors. The BMW K1300R motorbike. Put that one to the side, that's boring. The 96 Porsche Carrera. Very nice in yellow, that was a good track car. And the 84 Audi Sports Quattro Factory Fresh Series car, 10 of 10 in the main lines. So we'll just pull that Super Treasure Hunt back over here. So I guess it's got white wheels on the main line as well. It just doesn't stand out as much as this plastic here on the Super. Yeah, it's over the top. I think the main line looks okay with the white wheels, but that Super is, whoa. Two very nice cars. Oh, there's the 25th TH symbol on the rear there of that Super Treasure Hunt. But they've got all pretty much the same tampos, same detailing, not missing anything on either of the cars. So very, very nice, both of those cars. Big thumbs up if you like that Audi Quattro Super Treasure Hunt. We've got High Beam, another Tokyo 2020 car. Oh, we've got Motosaurus. We don't want to get too many more of those. And we've got Twin Mill Gen E from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series. Nice color on this one. Very cool. Now to finish off the top layer, we've got a second 42 Willys MB Jeep. Got the Dune It Up in the Baja Blazers series, and we have another 64 Chevy Nova wagon. Very nice. All right, what will the bottom give to us? What's in there? Ooh. All right, let's get these top three cars out. The Turtle Wagon. So we've got a Linster prototype, got another 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, and we've got the Hot Wheels Party Wagon from the Hot Wheels Screen Time series, and it is of course for Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Very, very cool. Oh, it says Turtles on the front, and you can see it's got the teeth grin on the front there as well. Very cool. Very, very cool indeed. I think the disc wheels look pretty good on this too in grey. Let me know what you think of the Hot Wheels Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon. Got that Hot Wheels Formula Solar. Very nice, good track star that one. The custom Ford Maverick. Look at this, that 2019 Corvette ZR1, how do you want to say it? Let me know in the comments. Is it Z or is it Z? Corvette, factory fresh, car 2 of 10, new for 2020. This color is so cool. Oh man, I'm not sure it's going to work on the track with that very long lip there at the front. You can see, but this is an awesome color on this car. Very, very nice. This is a pretty cool case actually, to be honest. All right, we've got Rockin' Santa Sled. Gee, he's going to get old very soon. We've got the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT in the Hot Truck series. Very nice. And the Batplane. Can you tell my enthusiasm there for the Batplane? The Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sports Turismo in that blue color. Maybe not looking like these blue wheels look that great. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like these blue chrome wheels on this car? Would have been nice to see just a normal gray or just a normal chrome. Yeah, but pretty cool car. Got that 85 Honda City Turbo. We recently opened that little pocket rocket. Check out that video. And we've got the cool one. Oh, nicely done. We've got a second 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible. That is very nice. Got the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. How popular is this one going to be? I mean, usually we see some Datsun fanboys go crazy over these wagons, but yeah, haven't heard much hype about it. But very nice car. Got a second party wagon, which is pretty cool. Here we go, duck and roll. Another duck and roll. The 52 Hudson Hornet there again, and a Chrysler Pacifica. Gee, I feel like this has been in a few cases now in this black color. It's getting a bit old. Give me another recolor. Got that custom 71 El Camino 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Such a big car. Look at it, so huge. And we have a second 96, a Porsche Carrera. Oh, here's one I've been looking forward to. The Volvo 850 Estate recolor. I think this is much better than the white one we got in the first place. It is new for 2020. I think if this was the first initial release, it would have been a lot more popular because this is pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below of that Volvo 850 Estate. We've got the Bone Shaker and another cool one. Heavy, it's Nerve Hammer. That's very nice. This color is pretty cool, I like that. I'm gonna open up all the Trackstar cars together and get them all on the track. We might make a special track for this Trackstar series for 2020 and see how they perform, not just the regular test track. We've got that Ion Motors Thresher, which we've already opened up, and we've got Total Disposal. Getting to the bottom of the case, doesn't look like we've got an ID Chase or a Super or a bit of a disappointment. We've got that 2Jet Z. Got another Dune It Up. And we've got the 85 Honda City Turbo again. Ah, very good. Cloak and Dagger. I saw this one hanging on the pegs the other day because we've already got this H case in some stores. And when I saw this, I was like, these decals are awesome. The color is awesome. Oh, what's that on top there? But anyway, this is very cool. Take a look at it. It's very vicious looking. I think it looks really cool in that X-Racers series there. We've got another 91 GMC Cyclone. That is good. And we've got that 68 Dodge Dart in blue. That's a nice color blue on that one. And to finish off the case, we've got the Jaguar XJ220 recolor. Very nice in that green color. We've got a Hyper Rocker. And we've got a custom Ford Maverick. All right, let's check out my picks of the case. All right, so some really cool cars in this case, but I have to pick a few that stood out to me, and it's definitely the recolor here on that Volvo 850 Estate. That was an awesome car to get. The Party Wagon here in the Screen Time series, brand new casting, very, very cool. Also getting the regular treasure hunt, that 2013 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition. Thank you, I really like that one. The brand new casting of that 91 GMC Cyclone is definitely a standout of the case. Oh, got so many new castings, wasn't there? That 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible, beautiful. I'm gonna say, although it's a fantasy, Nerve Hammer, definitely a standout because of the color on this one. I don't know, that combination is really cool. And of course, the 84 Audi Quattro Sport was definitely a standout of this case. All right, everyone, let me know in the comments below which is your favorite car from the Hot Wheels 2020 H case. There's so many pretty cool cars to pick from. So maybe what's your top 3? Let me know in the comments below. All right, smash that big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.